What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are out here with the C5 Corvette, giving you guys a quick happy Thanksgiving cold start. Again, happy Thanksgiving to all you guys. Thank you guys for sticking it out through the channel with everything that we've gone through. We are in a new location now. Got all the vehicles laid out here in the garage and in the driveway here. Of course, the C5 gets the covered garage. We're going to get some tarps and some car covers, truck covers for the vehicles out here. Got a wash day coming out here today. Today is Thanksgiving, 2022. Sun is shining bright. It's about, I want to say 50 so degrees, so it's not really that cold. So I figured today would be a great day to get all the vehicles washed today. But again, quick video here, just giving you guys a happy Thanksgiving cold start with the Corvette. Happy Thanksgiving to all you guys. Thank you guys for sticking it out through the channel. Thank you guys for getting us to 1,000 subscribers to finally be monetized on this channel. Let's get to the cold start. Who doesn't love cam chops? Thank you guys for watching.